welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing another skincare review on the brand Miage. So I have a couple of different skincare videos on my channel, but you guys specifically really like when I review a full brand's line of skincare on my channel. So I wanted to partner with Miage to share with you their regenerative and restore skincare line. So Miage is a brand that's relatively new to me, but I found out about them because I always read those articles that pop up on my Facebook, like who are in the gift bags, the different things for the Emmys, the Grammys anyways. Miage's skincare line was actually in the Grammys gift selections for the past 3 years. So anyone who performs or presents at the Grammys gets their skincare for the past 3 years. So I thought that was really cool, and obviously it really intrigued me to see what it was all about. So I want to share with you some of my findings, tell you what I absolutely love about it, and get into the nitty-gritty. So before I dive into the actual products, I do want to say thank you to Miage for providing us with a coupon code. So it is CAL20. I'll have it on the screen here. So you can go ahead and use that code at checkout to save a little bit on your Miage skincare. Skincare has always been a pretty big important part of my life for years now, but now I'm into almost my mid-30s, you guys, which is kind of crazy to say. I'm gonna be 34 at the end of this year. So I really want products, obviously, that are preventing and almost reversing those signs of aging, which Miage does with their RIT-5 technology. They are science-based and clinically studied. So their proprietary RIT-5, or Rejuvenate Isotonic Technology, total mouthful, allows those powerful ingredients in their skincare products to be delivered to the cells below the surface of your skin, giving those visible, lasting results that restore your skin from the inside out. This technology was developed after decades of research, and it's designed to give you those lasting anti-aging results. So basically what that RIT-5 technology does is it compresses all the anti-aging ingredients within their solutions for optimal absorption within the skin, which in turn makes those isotonic solutions much more effective at actually nourishing the skin cells and avoiding any irritation that could happen. So I'm going to walk you through each product that you can find within this collection and also show you how it performs on my skin. So the first being the Purifying Wash Complete Cleanse. So you guys know the biggest thing for me in my acne prone skin is I need a deep cleanser, but I need it to not strip my skin. But I cannot use sensitive, super gentle cleansers. I need stuff that's actually going to deeply clean out my pore or I break out. So this guy is amazing. So you just massage it into damp skin. It's gonna dislodge any pore clogging stuff, skin grease, debris, dead skin cells, all of that, and also get rid of your environmental stressors from the day. I noticed that this instantly brightens my skin. I like that it has a pump right up at the top so you get the perfect amount. The smell of this stuff is so amazing. It is such a pleasure to use. I believe that skincare is self-care, so finding products that really resonate with you, make you feel very I don't know, it's just the best feeling. So I absolutely love that their whole skincare line smells very just plant-based, very, I don't know, luxurious. So I'm obsessed with this cleanser. Cleansers are key for me. It's something that I feel like I looked past a lot in my skincare routine, and I was just like, oh, it's just a cleanser. But it's no, that was the biggest difference for me when I started using a cleanser that is really developed to get deep down into your pores. That is what makes it, breaks it for me. Moving along, their day cream. This is the day lotion. This is nice. Again, comes in glass bottle with the pump packaging. But this day cream just absorbs into the skin so nicely. It's hydrating enough. I need something, even though I have oily skin, I can tend to get really dehydrated skin. So I want something that's rich enough, but doesn't make my makeup slide and go all over the place. So I feel like this lays perfectly underneath my makeup as well as my sunscreen. It doesn't pill or anything like that. So there are so many different things you can target for your eyes, right? Different concerns. So you might be dealing with fine lines, you might be dealing with puffiness, you might be dealing with darkness. So I feel like the Isotonic Eye Elixir with their waterless brightening concentrate really targets it all. So you've got the anti-aging benefits in the serum itself, also has the brightening in it, so it's gonna help with darkness. And then it has this little ball at the end, which is cooling. So it's really gonna help with any puffiness. So you really just wanna take this and rub this under the eye, rub it in little circular motions. Again, it's just such a pleasure to use. It smells so good. You can use this day or night. Again, sits very nicely underneath makeup for me. Doesn't pill or anything like that. So you just really want to focus it around the crow's feet up into the upper eyelid and then down along anywhere where you get puffiness, anything like that. Basically think about it as like an ice roller for your eye cream. Love this stuff. This is one of my favorite products that they make because I love how cooling it feels, and you're getting benefits immediately from the cooling with the depuffing, but you're also getting that brightening, concentration, and anti-aging with the serum that's in it itself. And then we have their Invoke night creams. So on nights when I'm using my retinol or my my exfoliations, whatever it is, like my acids, I will go ahead and just apply a normal layer as always. But on my recovery nights, because I do skin cycling, so those nights when I'm just trying to rebuild back up my barrier and, you know, just extra hydration and soothing into my skin, I will apply a thicker layer. You can use this as a night mask as well. So you'll apply a thicker layer, let it sit on your skin for a couple minutes, and then go ahead and just massage in whatever is left over and leave it on as you will. And you, when you wake up, it is so amazing. This is such a thick emollient cream, but it instantly soaks into the skin. So you're not worried that like, okay, but it's all just rubbing off. No, it's really getting into the skin and really being delivered. So I love their night cream. Again, same amazing smell, such a joy to use, obsessed with this stuff. So either a thin layer as normal or pile it on thick for an extra hydration sleep night mask. So you guys know I'm a huge lip product junkie, glosses, balms, all of this. So their Miage Bloom lip treatment is one of my favorites. I keep it on my desk, so I apply it throughout the day. It's got this beautiful, like just kind of color, not color changing, but like adapts to your skin in the best way possible. It's got this like petally pink color to it. You can apply it thicker for a night mask at the end of the night, like before you go to bed, or you can apply it throughout the day. It is beautiful. It's beautiful to wear. It feels so cushiony and like almost like a lip oil. It's waterless formula, but I really enjoy how this feels on my lips. And the color that I get is really pretty, but it also, I feel like instantly helps with those lines that I get throughout the day. So absolutely love this. I am somebody who wakes up with super full lips, but then as the day goes on, I feel like they get smaller. I don't know if anybody can relate to that. But having this product, I feel like has helped kind of keep that fullness throughout the day, and I've been loving it. So I've had so much fun doing a deep dive on the Miage skincare line. I hope you guys found this video helpful, educational, and maybe you got some ideas on where Miage will fit into your skincare lineup, your routine, whatever it is. I think they've got some amazing products, hence why they've been a gift contributor to the Grammys for 3 years now. Like, it's really good stuff, and I'm super excited about just continuing to up my anti-aging routine. You guys know I do a ton of different things to my skin. I love trying out and testing new skincare products as well as devices and tools. I've been using a lot of EMS recently. I also do dabble in Botox. I get a little bit on my forehead lines, but I like prevention, but more importantly, regular, consistent prevention with the right products is the key if you are looking to target anti-aging and age gracefully, as we will, because aging at the end of the day is a privilege. We are all super lucky if we get to age, but if we want to age gracefully, there is nothing wrong with that. So again, Miage went ahead and hooked us up with a coupon code, so it is KEL20. So go ahead and use that at checkout to save on your order. All of the products that I mentioned and all of the details will be in the description box down below. Again, I hope you guys find these videos helpful, educational, kind of give you a full roundup of brands. I like to do this on my channel. If there's any other brands that you're curious to see, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Big thank you to Miage for partnering with me on today's video, and I'll see you all in my next video very, very soon.